So lampposts are placed around a rectangular park, which is 75 meter by 45 meter. The lampposts are placed 7.5 meter apart, and there is a lamppost at every corner of the park. How many lampposts are there in the park? When they say they place it 7.5 meter apart, example, if I were to put it like that, this is the lamppost 1, and then this is lamppost 2, this is lamppost 3. Example like that. Between lamppost number 1 and lamppost number 2 and 3, the gap are equal. This is 7.5 meter apart. This is also 7.5 meter apart. This is what they meant by apart, the gap. Okay, so in this question, you are going to count how many gaps. Look for the gaps. So for gaps, usually you need to minus 1. Correct? Whatever number of lampposts you see, you minus 1. That is the gaps. Okay, this is the gap. Gap is like that. So number of items always must minus 1. That is gaps. Okay, take note of this. This is like the rule of thumb for gaps. The rule for gaps. Now I start going through. So I have a rectangular park. If you cannot visualize the park, then draw out the park. Don't be lazy. You draw out the rectangular park like this. Okay, I have like that. And the park is 75 meter by 45 meter. We write down all this. Okay, then there is lamppost at every corner. 1, okay, it's different color. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4. So later when you find the lamppost, you must minus 4, you know, because these 4 corners is a repeat. If you look at this corner, this lamppost is shared by this line, this row, and also shared by this row, this lamppost. You get it or not? The 4 corners is shared among 2 rows. 1 top row, 1 bottom row. Then the corner there, there's 1 lamppost. Understand? Same goes for the bottom one. Is shared by that line and this line, and then the bottom one there, there's 1 lamppost. Okay, the corners are always sharing a lamppost, so you must minus out. Must remember to minus 4 lampposts in total later. The 4 corners. Now my issue is how many lampposts are there at this side first. So I have 75 meter, right? 75 meter. You divide it by 7.5 meter because the gaps is 7.5 equals to 10. Remember, gaps must minus 1. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9. If you don't do that, then your answer will be wrong, right? Okay, so over here, I have 9 lampposts. Means here also 9 lampposts. Okay, next one, the 45 meter. 45 meter divided by 7.5 meter. Okay, so you divide and you'll be getting 6. Remember, the gap must always minus 1. Minus 1 equals to 5. So over here is 5 lampposts. Here is 5 lampposts. Okay, so how many lampposts are there in the park in all? You take 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5. Answer minus 4 equals to 32. Understand? Okay,